So for all the haters of asymmetrical knots, I'm now going to show you my favourite 3 symmetrical knots, just to reset the balance a bit. They're going to go up in size from the smallest to the largest, but they are all symmetrical. We're going to start off with the first one. This one is the Pratt knot or the Shelby knot. It's one of my absolute favourites because it's small, symmetrical, and it's a lot less in your face than a Windsor knot. So, Pratt knot, really simple as well. It starts with the back of the tie facing forwards and the blade a bit shorter than fingertip length. So, wide end, under narrow, and really simply we go down the neck hole to the left, across to the right, up the back and down the front. Really stunning knot. It's a really attractive knot and one of the simplest ones you will learn. Now the second one is the classic Windsor knot, and this starts with the front of the tie facing forwards and the blade about fingertip length. So, wide end over narrow, up the back, down to the left, under, down the neck hole again, around the front, up the back and down the front. Again, another very attractive knot, a little bit bigger than the Pratt knot, a little bit more presence and a bit more formal. So that's your Windsor knot. The third knot and the largest of the 3 is this one. This is the Double Stirling. If you're familiar with the Balthus knot, it's the same as that but with 1 extra turn. Again, it's a symmetrical knot. This time I've put a dimple in and we'll get straight into it. Start with the back of the tie facing forwards and the blade quite a bit longer than fingertip length. Wide end under narrow, wide end down the neck hole, pass it to the right, down the neck hole, back to the left, down the neck hole, see a bit of a pattern developing to the right, and back down the neck hole. So you've literally just gone left, right, and then it's quite simply once around the front, once up the back, and down the front to finish. And if you want that dimple in the front, tease the dimple, and there you have the Double Stirling. As I say, it's bigger, but it's still symmetrical, and it has a lot more presence, a lot more oomph. Now, let me know, which of the 3 do you prefer? Do you prefer the Pratt knot or the Shelby knot? Do you prefer the Windsor or the Double Stirling? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you next time.